Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding XRP on Robinhood and want to move it to a more secure Ledger hardware wallet, you're in the right place. Today, we're covering how to transfer XRP from Robinhood to Ledger in 2025, step by step. This process is super straightforward but crucial for keeping your crypto safe from potential hacks. First off, make sure you have a Robinhood account with XRP in it and a Ledger device set up with the Ledger Live app. If not, pause this video and get that sorted, it's essential. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Robinhood app or website. Navigate to your portfolio, find your XRP holdings, and select the withdraw or transfer option. Robinhood might have updated their interface by 2025, so look for any new prompts related to crypto regulations. Step 2. You'll need your Ledger's XRP wallet address. Plug in your Ledger device, open the Ledger Live app, and go to the Accounts section. Select XRP if it's not already there. It might require you to install the XRP app on your Ledger first. Once you have the address copied, head back to Robinhood. Step 3. In Robinhood, paste your Ledger's XRP address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: amount, address, and fees. Remember, XRP transfers are fast and cheap, but always verify to avoid mistakes. Hit confirm, and Robinhood will process the withdrawal. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to go through. This usually takes a few minutes, but keep an eye on blockchain explorers like XRP Scan to track it. Once it's done, check your Ledger Live app to see your XRP balance updated. And there you have it. That's how you securely transfer XRP from Robinhood to Ledger in 2025. Always prioritize security in the crypto world. Double-check addresses and enable two-factor authentication. If this tutorial helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.